Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change app icon color on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to go to our setting. Go to your setting and you have to go to the wallpaper and style. Okay, select this option and here you have to activate the color palette feature. Click on this option and you can click on this toggle button to activate the color palette. Okay, and you can choose the color you want to apply to your phone, especially to your app icon. And you can select the color from the wallpaper colors, or you can choose the basic colors. And we can tap on the color to take a look at the preview. Okay, and for example, I'm just going to select basic color. I'm going to select this purple color. So I'm going to change my app icon color to purple. So I'm just going to select this one and we can scroll down and click on apply palette to app icons. Just like this, and we're going to click on apply. But if we want to apply the color palette to the app icons, we need to change our icon to the default app icon. And now I'm using theme from the Galaxy theme, so I need to change my app icon to the default. I'm just going to click on apply. Wait, now the default icon is being applied and we can click on apply. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. It's still loading. All right, and now I'm going to take a look at the result. As you can see that my app icon color has been changed to purple. And if you want to change it again, you just need to go to the wallpaper and style and then go to the color palette and then select the color like this. Wait, I'm going to try the wallpaper color. I'm just going to select this one and then click on apply. I'm going to see how the wallpaper color looks like. Okay, this is the result guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to change app icon color on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.